This is JAMB 2026 Organic Chemistry Complete Revision class. Organic chemistry is the study of carbon compounds. Carbon is tetravalent. Carbon shows catenation, that is linking of carbon to one another. We have hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons contain only carbon and hydrogen. Alkanes, they have single bond. Example, they have a general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes are also saturated hydrocarbons. Example of alkanes, we have methane, CH4, ethane, CH22H6, propane, C3H6, and the likes. Alkanes, they have double bonds. They have a general formula CnH2n. They are also called unsaturated compound. Examples of alkanes, we have ethene, propane. Alkynes contain triple bond. They have general formula CnH2n-2. Example of alkyne, we have ethyne, that is C2H2. C2H2. Note that. Bromine water text. Alkenes decolorize bromine water, while alkanes do not decolorize bromine water. Combustion reaction usually between hydrocarbon, that is hydrogen and carbon, plus oxygen produces CO2 and water. Substitution reaction common to alkanes. Example of a substitution reaction, we have reaction between methane and chlorine. Now, addition reaction common to alkane, those one with double bond. We have anhydrogenation, when that is alkane can degenerate or lead to the formation of alkane. Homologous series, they have same functional group. They have a property whereby successive member differ from by minus CH2. We also have what we call functional group. Functional group, they are active parts of a molecule. Example, we have OH group. An alcohol is part of it. Alcohol is part of functional group. Alcohol, we have carboxylic COOH, carboxylic acid. That's a good example of functional group. You have COO group, that's ester. We have amine NH2 group. That's another example of carboxylic group. They are usually attached to an organic compound. We also have aldehyde. We have CHO group. They are attached to an organic compound. All these are called functional group. A reaction called esterification. Esterification, reaction between alcohol or with a mineral acid to form ester. You have IUPAC naming rules. Step 1, consider the longest carbon chain. Consider the longest carbon chain. That is, in naming them, you have to count the number of carbons, number from the nearest functional group, that is from the end. We also have the third step here. We have name the branch. Name the branch. And the fourth step here, we have add the correct suffix. The correct suffix must be added. For example, suffix like ANA is peculiar to alkane. Suffix like ENA peculiar to alkene. Those with double bond. And the suffix like alkyne, that is YNA is particular to alkyne. We have suffix like OL, alcohol. Jesus, thank you. You have suffix like OIC, acid, particular to carboxylic acid. Now, example of naming, you have CH3CH2OH, that's an ethanol. To know it, just count the number of carbons there, 1, 2, and the number of hydrogen with OH, that's ethanol. Isomerism, you have the same molecular formula but different structure. Chain isomerism. Example, you have butane and isobutane. You have position isomerism, different position of functional group. That's the position isomerism. Different position of functional group. Functional isomerism, different functional groups. Petrol, that is petroleum now, is a mixture of different hydrocarbons. Mixture of hydrocarbons. Fractional distillation, a process whereby crude oil is fraction or divided into different other fractions like petrol, diesel, bitumen, kerosene and the like. So petrol is used mainly as fuel. Diesel used in engine like generators. Some vehicles use diesel as their fuel. They have heaviest fraction, the most heavy. Bitumen used in tarring roads. Cracking, a process whereby a large hydrocarbon is converted to smaller ones, or large molecules of hydrocarbon is converted to smaller one. Reforming improves fuel quality. Reforming improves fuel quality. Benzene is an aromatic hydrocarbon, undergoes substitution reaction. This must be noted. Polymers, that is, when small units of monomers combine together, it forms a polymer. Monomers are smaller units. When they combine together, they form polymer. That's monomers per monomer will give you polymer. Polymerization, the process of forming polymers. Polymerization is the process of forming polymers. Addition polymerization, you have uses of alkenes. Example, you have ethene to polyethene. That's a good example. Condensation polymerization, small molecule released. Condensation polymerization will lead to small molecule released. Natural polymers, example, you have protein rubber. Synthetic polymers, example is called, we have nylon and PVC. And we should also know that synthetic polymers is also known as artificial polymers. So this is just an introductory part of this organic chemistry. This is very good for people preparing for JAMB 2026. This is an exposition areas that are touched. There are areas that are very necessary to know or note in this forthcoming JAMB 2026. It's not limited to JAMB 2026. People preparing for WAEC 2026 or NECO or other IGSA, another future exam. This organic chemistry topics is highly recommended for you to learn to study. And I wish you success. Continue to subscribe, like, comment, view, and share with your friends. I pray you come out with good success. God bless you. See you in the part 2 of the teaching. God bless you.